they will be purified.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through. In the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true.
Sorry I kept you waiting forever and a day, but now we're out here together with nothing standing in our way. Can you feel the attraction? Feel the attraction. Can you feel it between us? There's energies inside us like electricity. Feel the love running through like electricity. Feel the love running through like electricity. Like electricity. Taking over your body, it's flowing through your mind. This feeling's got me on fire. Don't ever leave it all behind. Can you feel the attraction? Feel the attraction. Can you feel it between us?
Oh, pins him to the wall. Does he get the trophy too? Oh, Lantern charge as well. Piglet sticks up Apollo. Gets himself a necessary kill.
Aware of this, he thinks he's safe. In goes Piglet, lands the stun. He's got it. Cutlass slows him down. Bunch autohacks come in, forces the flash, but the chase comes in. The trade blows come in. Piglet, oh no, he's got to heal the chase. And now with a
Vayne, and they managed to catch the twitch, but it's too close to the tower. Piglet dives in for a bit more damage. Here we go, ultimate going on towards Elimination. Double flash from the bottom lane. They push further in. Becky's gonna knock him against the wall and get a kill. Sneaky has gone invisible, going out through the trap. Oh, that was an amazing route through. Piglet flashes over. Double kill for Vayne. Are they gonna get it? Flash over the wall. Oh, what a flash away from that one. And they just ping pong meteors around.